Okay, so up to now in the lesson one, we discuss about operation. What is operation management? We discuss operation management is mean the input processes and output. Those we need to be managed. And in term of we discuss inputs, can be three M's: man, money, and material. And we discuss
Yeah.
about industry, how we can transform and how we can manage our processes and the output, the happy clients. Yes, so we can deliver the value added product. We discuss what is a management. Management is a process of designing an environment to be achieve pre-select objective. So we have to design an environment, friendly environment, to be achieve organizational objective. So
Mhm.
objective is the end result. Any activity we do, we have an objective to achieve something. So when we'll set any activity, we decide what really we want to be achieved end of the course, end of the activity, end of the task. So today we are moving forward, and today uh, we'll discuss a little introduction to hospitality, what is meant by a word hospitality. Then we'll discuss service sector and hospitality industry. Our
Okay.
discussion will be on the supply chain management, why supply we need to be managed, stock levels, and role of technology in hospitality industry. What are the role of technology? How we need to be used to our operation effective.
Okay. Mhm.
So
But
what?
I don't see your screen, sir.
Oh, sorry, it's not shared.
No, it's not shared.
Just share you. Okay,
Oh
now
yeah,
I.
yeah, I can see it now.
Okay. So what do we know about hospitality industry? So we can discuss. And the definition of hospitality field by the definition is a service industry. It's tasked to create shareholder wealth by servicing and satisfying the guest.
Yeah.
This segment include, among others, hotel, restaurant, private club, managed food services, event planning, tourism related businesses, and travel providers. More than often than not, the product purchased is either intangible, perceive the quality, the product purchase is intangible. What is meant by intangible?
It's
Tangible.
tangible,
Building
intangible.
tangible, we can see, we can touch, and they have a physical substance like a
Ah,
building, plant, machinery, layout, furniture,
ah,
atmosphere.
o-
Those are tangible. Intangible are services. We can't see them, yes, but we
mm,
can observe them, we can perceive them.
okay.
It's quite crucial to be, because hospitality industry is more intangible, less intangible. Tangible is, of course, we can't ignore the relevant of tangible as well intangible.
Mm-hmm.
So hospitality industry, the service provider is a part of the product itself. For the guest to be satisfied, it's not must be believed they receive a value for service.
Mm,
To look around the value added product, how we can create a value. So how the tourism industry spend tourism industry is a huge, it's not a small, yes.
yeah,
Air, motor coach, train, rent a car, yes,
yeah.
all ferries and things, all is a. So definition of hospitality is the act of kindness. Definition of hospitality is the act of kindness in a welcoming and looking after the basic needs of the guest
Mm-hmm.
or the stranger, mainly in a relation to food, drink, and accommodation. Refer to the relationship process between guest and host, the reception and the entertainment guest, visitor and the strangers, liberty and the goodwill. The words came from the Latin word hospitare, mean to receive as a guest.
Mm-hmm.
So hospitality industry include the companies, organization which provide food, drink, and accommodation to the people.
Okay.
Hospitality and tourism industry, yes, hotel and tourism meet the needs of the people with the kindness and the goodwill. Goodwill is mean the perception, is value. The
Mm-hmm.
people create it a value. They think, like we think Holiday Inn, yes, Marriott Hotel, 5 star, 7 star. So it shows should be they represent as a 7 star. It's not mean, their service. So their people need to be well qualified. The people can understand the need of the people, of the guests, and they treat them with the kindness.
Okay.
So hospitality industry is about entrepreneurial as well. Yes,
Mm-hmm.
hospitality industry is a complex. Yes, cover the wide range of jobs, location, and activity and economics brackets. Food, food and beverage industry. It's come under food industry. Lodging, yes, also known as accommodation, a place to sleep 1 or more night.
Mm-hmm.
Concept we use in a hotel lodging. Yes.
Yeah.
Creation is any activity that people do. Yes.
Yeah.
So recreation, any activity that people do for the rest, relaxation, enjoyment. The goal refresh a person, body and mind. So recreation activity like a music and all these, the events we can. Is a recreation. Yes.
Yeah.
Something we can creation. The travel industry is a business moving people from place to place. Tourism provides the people with the service that promote the travel and vacations. Yes, so that's
Yeah.
come all. I'm skipping a few. Accommodation and food, beverage all come under. So is a pineapple used to be a lot in the food in the travel and tourism industry. In 17th century, early European explored the pineapple were brought back the pine, yes, from the
Mm-hmm.
West Indies as a symbol of welcome. Lot of hotel they have a pineapple at the front desk. They just display. They display they because this is a symbol of welcome,
Okay.
friendship, and hospitality. So pineapple is cultivated now almost everywhere. Yes, different part of the world.
Yeah.
So we can look around is a welcome sign. So hospitality industry is come everything here. Yes, lodging, assembly, events management, restaurant management, services, recreation, travel and tourism, air. So you can apply the jobs in all these industries.
Mm.
So assembly and event management are the guest management meetings, yes, conventions, destination, companies, events, restaurant, managed services. All these come. Yes, these all 24/7 hospitality industries is work around. Then we can look around service because when in operation one thing we need to manage is a service. So manage service because TQM total quality management is a key element.
Mm-hmm.
All implies to work in a group, establish the guest service expectation. So we can give them power. Total quality management is a TQM is very popular concept in a hospitality industry. So we not manage just one quality. We say okay, quality food. No, we need quality service. We need quality atmosphere. Yes,
Yeah.
staff. We need a quality layout. We need a quality dishes. We need a quality interior. Yes. So
Yeah.
all these we need to be look around quality, total quality management. It's not just one area.
Mm.
Any question?
No, sir.
Managed service. Yes, so we need to be look around. Career jobs can be as assistant food service directors, general managers. All these are the careers. Yes, different
Mm-hmm.
jobs. Club management. Yes, event management, catering, gambling, entertainment. Yes, so
Mm-hmm.
lot of jobs there. Trend in hospitality industry. Lot of trends going around. Globalization. Hospitality is not just a local now. Yes, it's all
Mm-hmm.
over the world. Safety and security is a big issue. Diversity. How we'll manage diversity? We have a people from different background, different culture, different thought, different views, different religious beliefs. How we need to be manage them. Service. Yes, we need to exceed in the service. Technology, how we use technology effectively. Legal issues, yes, lot of legal issues. 28 days, refund, payment, yes, accepting credit cards, refunding, protection, all sort of things. Changing demographic, people's characteristic, different character, different people thought, price value. So success of the service. If we want to be successful service, we need to focus on the guest. Where they from? So we need a diverse workforce. They can speak in their languages. Like Emirates Airline, they have a hostess from 50 countries. So they can speak different languages. They can
Mm-hmm.
provide different foods. So focus on the guest. Understand the role of the guest contact implies. Wave the service culture in a education. In a education. So we need to be service culture in a education. We need to teach them. So they have a level 2 or 3 qualification in a customer service. They can handle the objection. They can read the culture. They are aware of where they belong to, what type of the culture they belong to. We can understand their languages. So that's why if we speak different languages, that's a benefit in hospitality industry to manage the services. We need to provide the on job training and the off job training so we can meet their expectations. Next, when we are talking about service, so service Disney service model, which is used to be managed service, smile, make eye contact, respect and welcome all guests, value the magic, initiate the guest contact, yes, creative service solutions, end with the thank you, yes, smile.
What does value the magic means, sir?
Which one? A
Value the
value.
magic.
It's just we create a value within a product and service.
Ah, okay. Because I saw the word magic, then that's right.
And like a magic. When we'll see the magic thing, we're very excited. So
Uh-huh.
they just. Okay, these are some 7 deadly sign of the service. These are the sign which is used in hospitality sub concept, which is mean the service is bad.
Mm.
Absence of patience. The staff is not a patient. They look like very tired, not dealing customer properly. Guess so
Yeah.
that off to ignore or the behave cloudly. Not a properly behavior. Cloudness, coldness is not they don't have a freshness. Cons con destinations mean lack of respect is mean condense. Yes,
Mm-hmm.
we're living in a condensed environment, in a condensed culture. Yes, when we're coming in the European country, they open culture. Yes,
Mm-hmm.
everybody is doing practice. Doesn't matter whatever you believe, whatever your religion. Doesn't matter. Yes,
Yeah.
so we need to look around open-minded. Yes, some culture is very. So we need to look around in a service. If we have a lack of respect, we can't. Yes, robotics like treating people like a robots. No, rule of book. Sometimes we need to be look around what actually guests want, not rule of the book. So we need to be focus our according to run around form of excuse of excuse. Oh, sorry, our system was not working. So we need to good service. We not just excuse them. Any question?
No, sir.
So let's will see one of the customer experience video,
Mm.
how, and you will see how they treat the customer and how we can treat effectively.
Sorry.
Yeah, we think so. Yeah, okay. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. From where did you take this one, sir?
So just copy and paste the link,
Ah, okay.
then go through the front, because working in a front house. Okay. Let's, let's watch.
Can you please send me the link in the chat because my cursor doesn't go up because of this.
Now, if you copy this link in your PowerPoint, which I send you,
Okay, okay, yeah, yeah, okay. I understood. Yeah.
what do you think? Is it good?
Because I don't hear the sound
Can you
about what
see?
I can see, but I don't hear the sound what they are speaking.
Oh, yes. You can copy the paste the link and you can watch later.
Okay, I will watch it later on. These are some of the demonstration, yeah, about the quality service or.
Yes, this is about the guest experience and how we can improve, the.
Yeah, guest relation something like that.
That was the bad example, that's a good example.
Hmm.
It's the same guest now, and the same lady is treating totally different now. So, just, in your time, just copy paste this link
Okay, I will.
and go through. Okay. Next, we're looking, yes, we discussed Disney model customer experience. So that can be used in our. Next, we're looking technology and innovation. One, we're looking innovation. Innovation means something new idea. Yes, we're living in a dynamic world, structure and the complex environment becoming difficult to target all the tourism. So we need to look in innovativeness within a different tourism industries. Hotel identify being the most innovative, yes,
Yeah.
and most innovative in a hotel. So excellence and competitiveness of the activities within a tourism sector can be successfully maintained and constrain the investment of the knowledge and innovation. So how will innovate? We need to think about innovation in a product innovation. Will
Mm-hmm.
new product need to think about innovation in terms of the process innovation, online booking, offline, yes, processes. We need to
Mm-hmm.
think about organizational innovation, like solar panels, roofs, and all sort of, yes, green.
Mm-hmm.
Think about marketing innovation, smart apps, smartphones, apps, those sort of innovations.
Mm-hmm.
Mobile phone is become an integral part of the travel. Yes, number of
Yeah.
smartphone worldwide is more than 2 billion. The possibility of the mobile phone is a hotel industry. Yes, endless. There is a NFC technology is quite growing. They have a lot of product as well, like is a short range high frequency wireless technology of interaction between electronic. RFD is called radio frequency.
Mm-hmm.
uh, in fact technology is quite good, is quite useful. And readable technology, payment through credit card and debit card, that's saved on the smartphone, and you touch it and pay off, yes, without scan the smartphone, and you can go and out, clock in, clock out. Your smartphone apps, unique number, just put on the door and the door will be open. You no need to be clock in by using the card.
Mm-hmm.
That's all the technology, yes. So those we need to think about how we can use it. Proposed conceptual model was the Dwell proposed the conceptual model that could be applied the hotel industry and the numerous stakeholder destination. What is meant by stakeholders?
They are the shareholders.
Uh, Shareholder can be a stakeholder, but not all shareholders are the stakeholders.
Ah, okay.
Stakeholder mean anybody who have any interest in the business can be a stakeholder.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Okay.
Like a mobile technology is check-in, room, check-out, yes, mobile payment, mobile coupon, loyalty on the smartphone. How many points you have, you can check. Smart posters where we can see the room. Google real-time environment, you can see, what is chef is cooking. The cameras in place, you can see, you can book it in advance.
Mm-hmm.
Transport, everything linked in the smart technology. Yes.
Yeah.
So is a huge role of technology in a hospitality industry. So we can look around technology in hospitality industry that will help us to run our operation quick and easy, is reduce our workforce, is improve the productivity.
Mm.
So we need to look around the productivity per person, how many guests is dealing. So because labor is quite expensive, so we need to think about to reduce labor cost. Does it make sense?
Yeah, it does.
So is all these, this is a technology NCF1. Okay, next we're looking the supply chain management. Supply supply chain management is mean how we can manage stock levels within our organization. That we can link with the capacity planning. Capacity planning mean how many guests we are coming, how many guests is going out. Yes,
Mm-hmm.
percent or 80% room book, 90% room book. How many chef we need, how many stock we need. If we have a too much stock, it's called overtrading. That's not a good. Can waste the money.
Yeah.
So first one, that's a particular every product and that reach that represent the cumulative effort of the multiple organization. These refer to the collective as a supply chain. Second idea, the supply chain is existed for the long time. Most organizations have a paid attention because if we have a lot of stock, that's a huge waste of the resources. So we need to manage supply effectively. SCM, supply chain management, is effective. You directly order from when our warehouse or the storeroom have a short supply, system will generate the order, sent to the supplier, and supplier will deliver automatically. If we are delivering food to the event place, so supply will goes directly to that place. We maximize the customer value to achieve the sustainable and competitive advantage. Supply chain is sustainable competitive advantage. We perform better than our competitors. Supply chain, supply chain, supply chain, supply chain is a network of organization and the business processes of procuring material, transfer raw material into the finished goods. So in our organization, we have three types of inventory, that's stock. One is called finished goods, one is
Mhm.
called raw material, one is a work in process or progress. Like half-cooked food is a work in progress.
Yeah.
Onion, onion, chicken, meat, that's a raw material. Finished goods, ready-made dishes. Yes, dishes are prepared. Those are the finished goods. So manage. Supply chain management, integration of the supplier, distributor, and the customer logistic into the cohesive process. So those we need to be managed under the operation management. Information system, IT system. So we need to look around automated flow of the information between the firm and the supplier in order to optimize the planning, sourcing, and delivery, the product and the services.
Mm.
Supply chain management, the strategic level, top level organization, tactical, the middle level, and the operational level is mean the like a kitchen operation, yes, hotel operation, guest in all these levels we need to be manage how much stock we where we required, how we'll manage. So if we manage all, we need to look around supply policies and network. We need to forecast the demand. We need to work center schedule, yes, how much raw material need, in a chef A, chef B, or department A, department B, or C, yes, operational level.
Yeah.
Order cycle, how much, when we'll order after every week, every day, and how much we'll order. That's all we need to manage. So this is the supply chain management model. We can look around the business model goal, what is really business want to be achieved, and we look around our supply chain will create a value for the customer. We look around the enterprise coordination, manufacturing, and the business processes, effective distribution system, and responsiveness, accountability to the customer. So we're looking all these relationship between upstream and downstream, between manufacturers, because this is a service organization. So, but in the manufacturing is more complicated supply chain.
Mhm.
Information system supply chain activities cover the everything from the product development, sourcing, and logistic, as well as the information system. Information that make up the supply chain is a link through the physical flow and the information flow. Yes, goods and services. Sometime uncertainty, like sometime 2 months ago was the broccoli shortage in the UK, and the supermarket said no, you can buy only certain percentage of the broccoli from the shops, because due to the span and there was a weather that the late crops, the impact. So we need to think about how we'll make sure if we are serving and to we give the food to the broccoli, so we have enough, certain days. Yes.
Mhm.
So all these we need to be managed. Bulk ship, need to look around, ship, because that's, automated system need to be EOQ, economics order quantity. We order what is the required. Just in time is one of the Japanese approach, not what we need it. But that need to be managed to be information from the supply chain management system help firm decide when and what to produce, store, and move, rapidly communicate with others, track the status of the orders, check the inventory availability and monitor the inventory, reduce the inventory, transportation, warehouse cost, and track the shipment. Like Amazon, if you order, you can track it. Yes,
Yeah.
we can track when the food is coming, when the chef is making, how long will it take. Yes, advance we can, the menu we can select, we can deliver. Yes. So when the guests book the room, advance they can choose the menu. So our IT system, and we can manage what type of the food, how many dishes we need to cook. Yes, how many guests, where they will stay, when will they will stay, what will be peak and off peak time. That
Mm.
all we can think, how much stock we require. So that's all about the supply chain. There are the different software SAP. One of the system is very popular is the software system. Oracle is quite popular. Mongistic is quite popular. I2 technology, different technology. IBM system 3090, which is a supply management, that's quite popular as well. Chain management is come everything. Yes, logistic, product life cycle management, procurement, asset management, supply enterprise application, and supply chain planning. Intranet of the firm improve the coordination. If we have a good CRM system, customer relationship management system, with that we can link with the supply management, that will help us to be manage stock. Yes, intranet is a link with all order processing, customer, shipping, retailers, inventories, distributor. Yes, so that's all we need to be managed. This is a process demand driven supply chain, push versus pull. So when we have a demand, we can order. Push mean we can push, then order it when the
Mm.
customer give us order. So there are two: push model, supplier, manufacturer, distributor, retailer, and customer, based on the forecast. Pull, supply to order, produce to order, automatically replenishment chain. Yes, automated stock leveling. So this is a pull approach, and one is a push model. Any question?
No.
Let's we'll go through the one quiz. Quiz is about the customer service.
Mm-hmm.
Let's we'll play with. Please, if you have a question, ask me. Okay, this is the quiz. Let's we'll start. We can click and the quiz will start. Okay, let's we'll start. Okay, this is about the customer service.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, the process by which the business can improve its service level versus the competition is known as what?
Mm. Let's compare service levels. Mystery shopping. Compare the process by which a business can compare its service level versus the competition is known as service level versus the competition.
Benchmark. Which one you think?
Benchmarking, feedback loops.
Feedback loops. Mystery shopper is mean the person hide and lie.
Yeah, I think mystery shopping.
Mystery shopping? No, it's not. Okay. Who set the quality standard for the customer service offered for the business? Customer, customer service director, marketing director, or board of director?
Customer service director. Who sets the quality standard? What is rule number one?
Okay, what is the rule one in a customer service? Keep asking more. A good customer is a profitable. Yes, we can. Or the customer always right?
What is the rule number one?
Which one is correct?
Yes, we can.
Last one?
Yes, we can.
Yes.
Customer is always right.
Customer is the king, huh?
Yeah.
So which of these might help the business to be better understand the customer expectation?
Which of
Our job training, analyze the product, focus group meeting, or the price competition.
the analysis of the focus group meeting with the brand customers? The first one.
No. Okay. Which of the business likely perform the best customer service? Village hairdresser with the many local loyal customer in revenue, motorway, or whichever.
Which of these businesses is likely to perform best in customer service? Village hairdresser. I think village hairdresser.
Okay, well done. Employees who have the most direct contact with the customer often refer to the front line customer rep, back office, or operator.
Frontline staff.
For newly every business, the most profitable customer tend to be
Local customers.
existing
Or
customer.
existing customers. Yeah.
What is a mystery shopper?
Research who test certain aspects of delivery customer customer is not customer who buys with the researcher who test certain aspects of first one.
First one.
Researcher, yeah.
Well done. The most important factor in determine customer satisfaction is usually quality of product service, speed of handling complaint, friendliness staff.
The most important factor in determining customer satisfaction is usually friendliness of the staff.
No, it's not. The point in transaction at which the customer expectation are most demanding is called golden moment, brown trouser moment, run for the hill moment, or the moment of the truth.
At which customer expectations are most demanding is called moment of truth.
Yes, no.
The moment of the point in a transaction at which customer expectations are most demanding is called.
Sorry, which one?
I think the point in a transaction at which customer expectations are most demanding is called.
Run for the hill,
I think it is
golden rule,
it is run for the hill moment.
or the golden moment.
Point transaction at which customer expectations are most demanding. Golden moment, I think.
Okay, just we door खोलना है. Okay, next.
Service level.
First was benchmark, yes.
Yes.
Second was customer,
Customers.
because customer set the standard what service they want.
Ah,
Customer focus group, yes, with the regular potential. Will जे hairdresser बेटे door खोलना.
for nearly every business.